Step 5 in the Jane Scrivener 5-step skincare program is Moisturise. And Moisturise is the final step because moisturising is about putting the lid on your skincare, putting the coat over your skincare. So it's hugely important because it's another layer of nourishment, it's another layer of hydration, and it's another layer of skin food to protect your skin and to boost and replenish the barrier. But also what it's going to do is form a tissue thin, occlusive in a good way film across your skin to keep everything in and to keep everything protected and balanced. So moisturising is the last step in your skincare routine. Then it is your SPF if it's a morning routine, and makeup if you're wearing it. And in the evening, it's generally the last step in your routine because you're not wearing makeup and you're not wearing SPF. So moisturising is hugely important. It's a protective layer. It's the final in our 5-step skincare 5-a-day program. And what it's there to do is just literally lock everything down, everything that you've applied, everything that you've put onto your skin so that it can sink down into your skin, to keep it there so that it can work hard until the next time you do any skincare.